Love it. If you guys don't know how to use a ratchet strap, I'm about to teach you. So what you do is you're gonna pull down on this little lever, bring it up. And then you're gonna pull on this. There's gonna be this little trigger thing. You're gonna pull on that, and then you're gonna pull this down right here. And pull. That's gonna loosen it up. And that's the ratchet strap. So if you wanted to put it on, pull it to where it is somewhat loose, and then bring it down. You're gonna hear some clicks, and then you're gonna pull it up, you're gonna pull it down, pull it up, all right.